family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General and to see what was going on, which I got some nice little things for a cheap price. Okay. It wasn't a $5 challenge, but it was just a little bit over $5, which is fine with me. Y'all know how I do. I could have made it a $5 challenge, but I just said I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. All right, so the first thing that I got was this Colgate cavity protection. It is $1, but there is a $2 that is glitching. So y'all, if y'all out here and y'all got these $2 digital coupons, if you can go ahead and get these cavity protections, go ahead because it's glitching. It's $1 and it's a $2 off digital coupon. But if you want to try to wait for Saturday, that's fine too. Long as make sure that your store has, these items. That's the only thing. Hopefully the stores have the items. Okay, so that is making this $1. Well, actually free, and then the $1 is going to go over in my other transaction. Okay, the next thing is these Huggies wipes. It's the Natural Care 56 count. They are $2.50. You want to try to see if you can find these because these are the cheapest. They have some more, which those are $3 and something. But there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Rexall Metatalian. Y'all know me and my aunt. That is, it's the RX. It is $2.90. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. The next thing is the Snuggle Blue Sparkle 40 sheets. That let's see, that is $2.35. There is a $1.25 off digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing that I found was this Crest Complete Scope over 2 times free. And it's in the dollar aisle. You want to try to see if you can find these, which is good. They are $1 and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, making it free. Okay. So after she scanned everything, I put my number in. And this one is on my husband's card. My subtotal, y'all, was $6. Yes, $6. And, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. There go the Crest. There's the $1 and there's the $1 digital, making it free. There's the Snuggle sheets, which is the blue, is the 40. I think it's the 40 sheets. $2.35, $1.25 digital coupon. Then there's both of the Huggies that are $2.50 a piece. $1 off of 2 digital coupon. There's the RX Metatalian, which is the sleep stuff, $2.90. There is a $1 off digital coupon. There is the Colgate, which is the Colgate Junior, which is the kids, the cavity protection. It is $1 and the $2 did attach to it. So it made that $1 go into the transaction, making it $1 cheaper. And there is my subtotal, $6. Let's see, the subtotal is $6. Everybody's taxes is different. And then look at the total savings. $6.25. And then there is a $5 off of 25 for Saturday. But this right here is my Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.